To my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install iCloud on Android. Let's get started. Open browser. Create a new tab and search iCloud.com. iCloud.com. So now here you can see the three dots. Click on this. Scroll down. And here you can see the option add to home screen. Click on this and then click on add and again click on add. Go to home screen. So now here you can see iCloud has been successfully installed on Android. So let's test this app. Click on this. So now here you can see this is my iCloud and I have installed in my Samsung S10 Plus. So now I have accessed this account for my iPhone. So now if you have accessed your iCloud account for your iPhone, it will extra shows photos and find iPhone. So now this way you can install the iCloud on Android. Thank you guys for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more tutorial videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.